Okay, class, take a seat. I'm going to be giving back your homework.
This homework was so easy, right, Simon?
Leave me alone. Greg, here's your homework.
Thank you, What the? I got a question wrong?
There's no way.
No, it's not young Sheldon.
No
He's not
way.
that guy.
Greg,
He's
Wait,
not
I see the problem. The teacher made a mistake. Mr. Teacher,
Greg, what do you want?
I just want to point out an error you made in grading my homework.
Greg, what are you talking about? I didn't make a mistake.
Actually, in question 1, I wrote that my answer was 12, which, according to my calculations, is correct. But you still said it was wrong.
Yeah, because it is wrong.
Well, I bet other people got the same answer. Simon, what did you get?
Man, I got yellow. I don't think you should ask me that question. Greg, there's no way that I'm wrong, okay? I'm the teacher.
Well, maybe you made a mistake in your calculations, teacher.
Yo, what the?
I usually don't see you here, Greg. You want to explain why you're in my office today?
The teacher sent me here because he couldn't handle my superior intelligence.
Let me see that. This is English homework, Greg. How did you get 12?
What?